Hello, I'm back. This time I will be making a banana shake with dates. The ingredients for this shake are 2 medium-sized bananas cut in half, 1 cup of milk, diced dates, and 1 cup of ice cubes. The first step, you will put the bananas that are cut in half into your blender. The next step, 1 cup of milk. Third step, the diced dates. And the last step would be the ice cubes. Then, when all the ingredients are all into your blender, you will blend all the ingredients. Now the shake is ready. This is a good tasting banana shake. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the shake, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.